Trinity.
When I heard of this melody for the first time, I thought of Soshplata by Loatinover Pounds. So I was like, him and Maglera Doe Boy, they would do justice on this. So this is how I made this beat. I started off with this melody. It's in the key of D major. Also goes with this one. And I was like, you know what? This beat doesn't need me to go to the channel rec. I'm just gonna make it here. Reason being, I wanted to create the bounce of it. So this is the snare. I layered it with another snare to sound more beefy. Then I put on this hi-hat. I also put another instance of a hi-hat, but as you can see here, it's not on the first line, it's on the second for more bounce. It gives like that glitchy texture. When you're listening to these drums, they're not your ordinary trap drums. They're like old hip-hop rap kind of drums. Then I also put on this hi-hat. Then another hi-hat. Then a crash over here. So in this case, I used a lot of hi-hats. But it sounds a little bit bassy, this one. Then I added this kick over here, but it does not have a lot of punch to it. Sounds more like a percussion. Then I also added a snap over here. Then I just put in some random sounds for when like the beat changes. Like over here, I put on this kick. Another different kick before that punchy kick hits. Then this vox for when the beat is about to drop.
Hey!
Then this is the kick that actually carries this beat. Extra punchy. Then I also put in this crash, but I reversed it, as you can see here. Then another crash here, just for this one to slide into it. And yeah, that's pretty much the drums for this first section. For the second section, what I did was I took this melody, I chopped it up and I pitched it up 5 semitones, and I also reversed it over here. So with the drums of this section, I just decided to keep them simple. So this is a generic snare, generic hi-hat. With the 808, I wanted to make it a little bit crazier by doing some slides. Then I did a kick that follows the pattern of the 808. Then as an intro of that section, I did this thug piano. Then that piano goes with this bass. So this is where the first beat transitions to the next beat. At the transition, I did an automation clip for the BPM. If you look at the automation clip here, it's gradually going down until it gets here to a different BPM. So over here, we are on 84 BPM. Then over the second section of the beat, it's 73. So yeah, that's the beat. Thank you for watching. And also, remember, always keep it simple. Bye.